So this company, Viziuuy, reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in checking out one of their cameras. And I thought, why not? I got a lot of animal traffic in the backyard. So I wanted to set it up, see if I could catch what critters are going into my garden and stuff. And also I'd like to keep an eye on my pool. So when I opened the box, I was impressed by how well it was packaged. Everything had its own little spot, nothing moved around, so nothing was damaged when I pulled it out of the packing. Definitely give them A plus on packing. Everything you need is in this box. You have the camera, the mounting brackets, screws, solar panel, and the charging cord. It also comes with template stickers for mounting both bases, one for the camera and also one for the solar panel. I recommend facing your solar panel towards the southwestern sky. It gets the best sun exposure. Even though I've had this up for about 6 weeks now, it's been overcast for about 90% of that time, and the battery life on the camera is still 100%, which is great considering how much sunlight we've had in the past couple of weeks. Mounting the camera and the solar panel is pretty self-explanatory. Put your stickers up where you want to drill your holes. Each template is for each mounting bracket, so make sure you are placing the right sticker in the right spot. You want to have the solar panel pretty close to the camera itself, and you also want to have the camera close to your Wi-Fi. So before you place your camera outside, I recommend fully charging it, and this is the cable that you're going to need. Just plug one end of your wire to the camera, and then the USB end of it goes into a standard USB plug, and just charge it 100% and then go mount it outside. The solar panel will take over from there. So I chose this location because right through the sliding glass door there is my Wi-Fi, and I wanted it to be close, and I have a lot of animals that run through this area here, so I'm just want to track, and also I have my pool right back here, which I'll be able to keep an eye on the pool just in case it happens to be any kind of emergency or someone gets to my pool without me knowing. So this is the recording from the camera, and right here I stopped and I zoomed in, but apparently on the recording part it doesn't show you the zoom, but the camera, when you're doing a live shot, you can zoom in. It's actually pretty cool. The camera does not follow the subject. The camera will not track that movement. So if you use it manually, you can move the camera side to side, up, down, zoom. But when it's recording, because of movement in your yard or wherever, it's just going to record whatever comes into the camera view. So the camera does have a two-way talk. So if you have like packages delivered, you could talk to the delivery person through the camera. Also has a slot for a micro SD card. Can take up to 128 gigabytes, and there is an alarm notification that comes on your phone when you do have movement or action inside the security zone. But as you can see, the night vision is pretty nice too. Inside the app, you'll find all kinds of information, all kinds of things you can do with this. You have live, you have history, you have cloud, you can do screenshots, you can use your intercom. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can do inside the app. They even have a installation guide in the app that makes it super simple to get your camera set up, and you got a QR code that you can just download. There is a $3.59 subscription if you wanted to do like cloud storage, but I just assume keep it on my phone. So I'm pretty happy with the camera. It's got crystal clear video, connects to your Wi-Fi pretty easily. It's easy to install. It's got a great installation guide. Simple to connect to your phone. Instant notifications to your phone. And it stores video on your phone. What more could you ask for? So you can purchase this camera on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description. There's one for sale right now for $90. There's a 2 package for $120, which I think is a much better deal.